large language models into the forefront of the world. I just read the headline of the story, so I don't know actually if what the reason was for that. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Was that the right decision? I will withhold my personal opinion until I actually read more of the story. But in this little demo, I wanted to show you about how I've been using ChatGPT for about a year, and I can show you what do I use it for. Well, it can do a lot of things. It can answer questions, do writing assistance, language translation, education, travel recommendations. Actually, it's Expedia that was one of the first companies to integrate into use it for travel, cooking recipes, fitness and health, entertainment, daily planning, problem solving. New is this image generation with DALL-E and coding help. Let me just go back into my whole history. This is embarrassing. It's almost like when you look through your search history, but it changed over time because of